Good morning, good morning. Happy Thursday. Napaaga tayo ngayon. Happy Thursday, beautiful people. Kalahati na naman ang linggo, 'di ba? Malapit na matapos ang August. Oh my God, time flies really. So, good morning from Ontario, Canada. It's 11:37 a.m. po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon kung saan man po kayo sa mundo. I hope your day is amazing. You are happy, you are healthy, you are loving life. 'Di ba? Isa lang ang buhay natin. So, kailangan mahalin natin 'yan, okay? Yeah. So, anyhow, it's Tita here connecting with you guys again. Maraming salamat sa aking mga followers diyan. Thank you, thank you, thank you. At sa mga doon sa mga nanonood lang sa akin. Kumusta, kumusta? Yes, I hope your day is amazing. Yeah, so anyhow, connecting with you guys, yeah, so every time na mag-live ako, I always wanted to have something to talk about. Okay, so today we'll talk about confidence. Kasi talagang ano ito, tawag nun? Nag-come up na naman, okay? I believe I have touched on this topic before, pero ang tagal na noon. But anyhow, confidence. Kasi like ko naririnig, I don't have the confidence that you have. Oh my God, believe me guys, it takes a lot of practice. So kaya nilagay ko po diyan, confidence, building confidence is like building a muscle. Right? So what I mean by that is, hindi pwede na pag naandong ka, isang beses mo lang gagawin yun. It takes practice, consistency na andoon na. Okay? Kasi walang tao na born confident. Right? Wala. Yan ay nadidevelop natin yan through doing it consistently and doing it like, you know, parang gawin mo siya na, parang habit mo siya. Ganun talaga. Right? Because I'll give you an example. May kausap kasi ako kahapon, sabi, matagal na kaming nakakausap ko na siya palagi and interested na mag-start ng business. However, sabi niya, hindi naman ako confident na katulad mo. So sabi ko, I wasn't like this before. And to, like, you know, honestly talaga, nung mag-start ako ng business na ito is nagtuturo na ako ng fitness classes. Okay? Kung ilalagay mo ako, pag ako ay nagturo, I know I am confident because I already have done it many years. Ilang years na pa ako nagtuturo? 9 years na this year. More than 9 years. Going on 10 years. So alam ko kung anong gagawin ko. Right? Alam ko yan. And even if kapapractice ko pa lang ng music na yan, even na hindi ko pa masyado kabisado ang move na gagawin ko, I am confident na kaya ko, I can wing it because I can just add flavor to it. Right? Nobody knows. Nobody knows what's the next step. Only me. Right? So I can get around with it. Pero guess what, guys? Nagtuturo na ako ng ilang taon nung mag-start almost 5 years na nung nag-start ako ng online business na ito. At confident ba ako na sasabihin kung anong gusto kong sabihin? No. Because I had to start from the bottom. I had to start learning because this is different. Right? It's a new thing that I am doing, right? It's a different field than me doing my regular job or doing my teaching job, right? So it's different. So everybody has to start from the very beginning. Everybody has to start somewhere, diba? So you don't have to worry if you really want to achieve any goals that you have in life. You don't have to wait until you are confident. You don't have to wait until you are perfect. You don't have to wait for anything. Just do it anyway. Even if you're scared, even if you're like, you know, nag-aalinlangan ka pa, even if you're skeptical, do it anyway. Because guess what? Doon ka matitrain. Right? Because kung hindi mo yan gagawin, ayan, nasa sideline ka lang. Diba? Nasa sideline ka lang because you don't put an effort para ma-improve ka. Whereas, kung naandyan ka na, right? And you'll be exposed with people na ganun din sa iyo and then develop yung kanilang personality by doing it every single day. Right? So, tendency is, ganun din ang mangyayari sa'yo. Because wala ngayon, sinasabi ko kanina, walang pinanganak na confident na kaagad. Wala. Nadidevelop, yes, we all have talent. Nung tayo ay pinanganak pa. Nung tayo ay pinanganak. We all have talent. Right? We all have talent. And, pero yung talent na yan ay hindi yan lalabas unless na tayo ay unless na i-develop natin yun, right? So lahat tayo may talent, because think about it, ang daming tao na kahit na magaling pa yan sa school, pero yung confidence level nila ay hindi gaano ka tawag nun, kaganda. It's because it needs practice. It has to be like a habit na gagawin mo every single day. But before ka pa man maging confident talaga na kung ano yung sasabihin mo. Diba? So, ganun lang yun. So, it's like going to the gym. So, di ba, kung meron kang goal na halimbawa, mag-build ka ng muscle mo or i-build mo yung core muscle mo, di ba? Kung yun ang goal mo, hindi ka pupunta ng gym na isang beses lang. Di ba? Gagawin mo yan consistently. It doesn't matter kung ang goal mo ay pumunta doon ng 30 minutes every single day. Gagawin mo yan every single day para makuha mo yung muscle na gusto mo na i-build. Diba? Hindi ka pupunta ng gym na isang beses lang or 2 beses lang or 3 beses lang. No. You have to make sure to make it a practice na gagawin mo kung ano man yung goal mo. Diba? So, it's the same thing. So, hindi tayo inborn na confident tayo. I-develop natin yan by doing it every single day. So, I'll tell you, nung nag-umpisa nga ako, sabi ko, confident ako na mag-teach ako. Pero dito sa business, no. Confident pa ako na mag-live noon? Na ganito? No. Lagi ko sinasabi ko, I was 2 years already. Well on 2 years nung nasa business ako, nung mag-umpisa ako na mag-live. Because hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin ko. Right? Dahil kung live ka, wala kang ano, 'di ba? Wala kang tawag noon? Cheat. wala kang kodigo. 'Di ba? Hindi mo mai-edit 'yan. Electricity. Oh, ayan. Ang aking wifi, sorry. Ayan, bumalik na. So, yes. So, 2 years, and I'm grateful talaga because dito sa business namin is maraming mag-motivate sa iyo. Alam mo ba kung paano nag-umpisa na maging confident ako na mag-live? Is yung nag-umpisa yung coach namin na magkaroon ng Go Live Challenge. It was 30 days. Go Live Challenge every single day. And then my price, of course, right? So, ma-motivate tayo pag ganun, pagka merong tao or merong group na ganun din ang ginagawa natin. So, yan talaga ang gustong-gusto ko dito sa business na ito dahil mai-stretch tayo to the point na ma-develop natin yung talent natin. So, it's very, very important na i-surround natin ang sarili natin with like-minded people. Right? Because kung tayo lang, mawawalan tayo ng motivation. Right? So, yeah. So, doon nag-umpisa. And then, I did it like now. Talagang sinisiguro ko at least 3 times a week, 2 to 3 times a week na mag-live ako. Because I want to keep the momentum going. Because kung isang beses mo lang gagawin yon, makakalimutan mo yan, di ba? Makakalimutan mo yan. So now, pagla-live mo ako kahit every single day pa, kayang-kaya ko na. Di ba? Because nade-develop ko na yung muscle na yan. As I have mentioned, ginagawa ko yan at least 2 to 3 times a week. Talaga. Right? So yan lang ang gusto ko na i-share sa inyo because huwag kayong maghintay. Huwag kayong maghintay na ready kayo. Huwag kayong maghintay na confident kayo. Huwag kayong maghintay na merong perfect timing para kayo mag-start. If you see the potential, kahit na katiting lang yan, kahit na 5% lang yan, kahit na medyo takot kayo, kasi ganun din ako nung mag-start ako kahit hindi nyo alam kung anong gagawin nyo on the other side, after you decide, madedevelop kayo. I promise you. Dahil pinagdaanan ko na yan. Right? So yes, kahit na takot, kahit na hindi alam kung anong gagawin, do it anyway. Diba? Dahil para sa iyo din yan. Kaya yan ang sinasabi ko, hindi lang dito sa negosyo namin, dito sa online business na ginagawa ko, hindi lang kami natututo na maghanap ng ekstrang kita, kung hindi, nadidevelop din yung personality namin. So many areas of my life ang talagang nakakapag-benefit because of this business. So talagang blessed ako that way. Yeah, so anyhow, I hope it makes sense. I hope I have inspired you guys. I hope I have given you value today. I hope na I have given justice with my topic today. But anyhow, I will touch base with you again later. So thank you very much. Doon sa manonood ng replay, thank you for tuning in. By the way, sa aking mga viewers diyan, thank you. And doon sa manonood ng replay, I appreciate you very much and I hope I have given you value. And kung kayo ay you're looking for something na you can do on your own terms, on your own time. You're looking for something to improve your finances, to improve your personality, to improve aspects of your life. So yes, my business page. In my business page, nandun po ang website ko. Sign up with your name and email address, and then yung aking back office na po ang magpadala ng information na kailangan nyo. So thank you again. Thank you for my 1 million viewers, 2 million viewers. Thank you. And yes, enjoy the rest of your Thursday. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I will touch base with you again later. Thank you everyone. Take care. God bless.